Hi and welcome to the Ricky's Drawer channel. I'm Ricky, and today you're gonna see a voiceover video. This is the recording section that we did on the live stream yesterday. It was around 8 o'clock at the night, and we were testing not only the audio but also the image and the video as well. I couldn't find the stream health here on Streamlabs Obs. Is a new software that I'm using. I used to record and go live with OBS Studio, and this is a really good software to make recordings. It's really light, and as you can see, I'm doing some flats here. It speeds a lot the coloring process, and it's really fun to make it. Everything gets separated, and if you like to do a more painterly style, like the traditional art, it's a step that you can skip. But for doing something that you need to repeat almost all the time, like drawing a character for comics, or doing sprites for games, or blocking animation, it helps a lot. I'm going to upload a video about masking, I think today, and I also have some footage here of this inked version on the early stages when I was just sketching. I was having a lot of trouble to find a way to put the hoodie because the lines were getting in the way with the hair, so I ended up making 2 layers to sketch it, and I did some changes on the fly. Well, hope you like this video and see you in the next time.